Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting your reference and aligning the map. Make sure your device GPS is on, or orient the paper map with north up. Once done, type or locate the street name, landmark, or coordinate pair on screen. If using a paper map, mark the reference lightly. Then zoom or focus until the reference fills roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of your view. This gives enough context to read nearby features. Now you're ready to refine the position. You refine the location using built-in tools and visual cues. First, drop a pin, enter exact coordinates, or search the name. This gives a precise marker. Then compare that marker to visible features, road intersections, building footprints, or contours to confirm alignment. Make sure to toggle layers, like satellite and terrain, because once you switch perspective, the place often becomes obvious. If the marker sits off, nudge it until it matches the physical clues. You finish by confirming and saving the spot. First, read the coordinates or address shown and compare with another source or landmark to be certain. Once confirmed, save the pin or share it with a screenshot and coordinates. If things go wrong, GPS drift, misplacement, or blank tiles, try triangulating from 2 known landmarks or use a bearing and the map scale. Also check app permissions, update map data, or recalibrate the device compass. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.